Welcome to Mira. Today we will travel to escape to this place, and we will visit the PR6 trail, the Pinewood route. A peaceful trail perfect for a relaxing walk in nature, or at least that's the idea. This is my second video about Mira. I will leave the first part in the video description. It's supposed to be a 4-kilometer circular trail taking you through sandy paths and beautiful pine trees. But let's be honest, the trail it's a bit abandoned, so don't bother following the map. Just wander around, enjoy the fresh air and embrace the adventure. Even with a few surprises along the way, the place is still a lovely green escape. An 1-hour walk here, totally worth it, if you don't mind a little detour or two. And where can you find information about this trail? Well, I'll leave the website in video description, but here it is. And since you are in the area, don't miss Lagoa de Mira. This natural lagoon is a true hidden gem, perfect for those who appreciate tranquility. The calm water reflects the sky, creating a breathtaking view. If you are lucky, you might spot different species of water birds, making it a great place for nature lovers. If you like exploring without strict plans, PR6 might just be your kind of adventure. Just remember, getting lost is part of the fun. So if you like that, why not visit this lagoon? Just a short walk away you'll find Praia de Mira. With its wide stretch of golden sand and inviting ocean, it's the perfect place to relax after a walk. Praia de Mira has a strong fishing tradition, and if you are lucky, you might catch local fishermen pulling in their nets, a classic sight in this region. After all this exploring, it's time to refuel, and Restaurant Lila is the perfect place to do just that. Here you can enjoy fresh, regional dishes with a special focus on seafood. From rich seafood rice to perfectly grilled fish, every meal is a treat. And of course, no great meal is complete without dessert and a good coffee. If you are looking for a day filled with nature, adventure, stunning views and amazing food, PR6 and its surroundings are definitely worth a visit. Now, all that's left is for you to come and explore.